In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare a super simple almond protein shake that will help you have again the essential nutrients your body needs to help you feel full and sustained throughout your day. I will explain the health benefits of having this smoothie as part of a regular diet and how easy it is to prepare all in under 5 minutes. This healthy and filling snack consists of only 6 simple ingredients. These ingredients are half a cup of jaggery, 1 tablespoon of almond butter, 1 to 2 scoops of protein powder, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, which will have 23 calories and 2.9 grams of protein, half a cup of ice cubes, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk, about 20 calories and 2.5 grams of fat. And once you have all these items gathered, you can begin by adding them to the blender and mix them straight away until you have a consistent and creamy texture. Then add them to a glass and then you're ready to enjoy. And this is a super simple meal that won't take long to prepare and it will taste great. It will help get your morning off to the perfect start, also while satisfying your appetite and allow you to feel fully energized so you can go about your day. And if you are finding the content in these videos to be useful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be made aware of future content. And as always, thanks for watching.